nyaka giko. Wachao gi wach mar Dayo jotend migepe mag mogwel kama penjo ma oridie no dir ne ji ma owal ne lemo mag ten migepe kaka wuono ne en odiochiengi mar ariyo. Jod bura ma Samburu West ne Isula Lesuda no chiwo chwero koda ka piwange ko penjo ewi nyalo mar jogo mowal ne lemo mag telo.
Our police service and citizens, because there has been over the years broken relationship and trust deficit. With regard to Nyumba Kumi, I am a firm believer that this is a very critical organ within our security architecture.
A scandal that cost taxpayers about 1.6 billion Kenya shillings. Some payment was said to have been made to your law firm.
Reference was made to a payment which was made to my law firm of 500,000 shillings. That payment was not made by any company, leave alone a company that supplied NYS. It was made by a friend of mine and a colleague called Onesmus Kipchumba Moko.